Make sure it is.
Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh.
What? What'd you get from Santa? What is that?
Get the back all cleaned up.
What is that?
I think we need to flip it this way and pull this thing off the front.
What do you think it is?
Probably socks.
Oh, what do you think?
Cool.
What did the elves make? Show Papa. Show Papa Doug what the elves made at the North
Turn it
Pole.
around and show him. Turn it around so he can see it.
I'll see it, Papa Doug.
Oh my.
Two tires.
Tires. It must be super strong, huh?
Yep. We can pull a lot of weight.
Pull a lot of weight. And you got lots of traction. You see those treads? They're real deep.
Yeah, but she trapped.
Yeah, and look at that's where you go up the stairs. You go up the stairs and you go up here and sit, and that's where you drive. That's where John Deere drives. Uh-oh, sweetheart.
It doesn't say me, it says that.